Hello, dear viewers, dear guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and cordial thanks to the another nations. Dear viewers, I think all are well by the mercy of Allah. Dear viewers, there are four skills of language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. But reading is one of the most important skills of learning assessment. Reading is one of the four basic language skills. It is disclosed today. Dear viewers, today I want to disclose how to develop our reading skills and what's the importance of reading skills. Today I will disclose now. Dear viewers, reading is one of the four basic language skills. It is respective skills. A person reads to receive and understand information from this lesson. Learners, through reading activities, a learner get access to knowledge. Through reading activities, a learner get access to knowledge, ideas about the structure and uses of the language. It is a mental and cognitive process which involves a reader in trying to follow and respond to messages from the writers. Viewers, reading helps a man to realize or understand the meaning of the writings. Especially, it's two types: reading aloud and silent reading. What is reading aloud? It is appropriate for the beginners, the elementary level, since at this level they are required to improve their pronunciation. Reading aloud is very popular way of dealing with means. When anyone reads aloud, another person can hear and understand the type of reading is called reading aloud. It is actually speaking with the help of reading text. It can help students make the connection between sound and spelling. There are many merits of reading aloud. Reading aloud is useful at the earliest stage of reading, when the students are learning to recognize letters and words. It can help them make the connection between sound and spelling. It is useful in making announcement to others. Through aloud reading, we can improve our pronunciation, intonation, stress. It's quite effective to pay attention to the study. It makes the rhythm of reading. It helps remove shyness. It activates the vocal organ of the reader. Children feel easy to read aloud. It is also helpful for the blinds. Really, reading aloud helps a man to avoid shyness, but it has some demerits of reading aloud. It kills of time, requires a lot of energy, so readers become tired soon. Only one student becomes active at a time. Focus is one of the pronunciation, so comprehension is not possible. Being some demerits, reading aloud is very important. What is silent reading? Silent reading means reading quietly without making any sound. Reading quietly without making any sound. Most of the specialists are in favor of silent reading, as helps concentrate and grasp the meaning of the text silently. Dear viewers, reading is an appropriate for the beginners at their elementary level, since at this level they are required to improve their pronunciation. Reading helps to understand what's the meaning of the passage. Dear viewers, if you want to develop your reading skills, you have to more read storybooks, English journal, and other things which is written in English language. If you want to develop your English language, you have to read English written books, English written story, English drama, English song, English news. You can follow a habit to reading out aloud or reading silently. Firstly, you can practice yourself, read silently. Secondly, you can try yourself to read aloud. Reading skill is one of the most important skills in English language. Without reading skillness, all learners cannot enable to realize or understand the meaning of the following motivation. Dear viewers, till today, no more today. Thank you very much. Viewers, I request all of the viewers to follow my video and like, comment and share to grow the page. Thank you, thank you, thank you dear.